Welcome to AKN Sprint Education. Myself Naveen, I am the mathematics mentor, and today's our session is about sum of two matrices and equality of matrices. See, for example, consider a matrix A equal to 2, 3, minus 1, 7, 8, 5. So what is the order, children, here? As we have 2 rows and 3 columns, so order is 2 by 3, children. And consider matrix B 1, 0, 1, 2, minus 4, minus 1. As again we have 2 rows and 3 columns, order is what? 2 by 3. Since they are asking to find out A plus B, in the plus in the sense sum of the matrices. If the order is same, if it all both the matrices A and B have the same order, then only we can find whose sum. So A is the order of the matrix 2 by 3 and B is the matrix of order 2 by 3. So both order is same. Since order is same, we can find whose sum, children. Okay. So A equal to what? So they are asking to find A plus B. So what is matrix A? 2, 3, minus 1, 7, 8, 5. In between we need to write plus, because they are asking to find sum of the matrix. B equal to what? 1, 0, 1, 2, minus 4, minus 1. When we are finding sum of the matrix, we need to add whose corresponding elements. See, for example, this is the matrix A. So this is A11. And what about this is the matrix B? This is B11. I mean, first A11. What is the element A11? That is 2. I mean, which is in first row, first column. This element 2, which is in first row, first column. And here also B11 is equal to 1, which is there in first row, first column. So I mean, we need to add corresponding elements. What is the corresponding element of 2? Corresponding element of 2 is 1. I mean 2 plus 1. Now coming to second element, which is what? A12. What is the element A12? That is 3. I mean first row, second column. And here B12. What is the element B12? Which is equal to 0. I mean which is in first row, second column. Now add whose corresponding elements? That is 3 plus 0. Now minus 1, which is in first row, third column. And 1, first row, third column. So the corresponding element of A13 is B13, that is minus 1 and 1. Now can you say me what is the corresponding element of 7? Corresponding element of 7 is 2. I mean 7 plus 2. What is the corresponding element of 8? Corresponding element of 8 is minus 4. And the corresponding element of 5 is minus 1. Okay, children? 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 0, 3. Minus 1 plus 1. Both gets cancelled, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. 7 plus 2, 9. 8 minus 4, 4. 5 minus 1, 4, children. So what is the sum of the matrix A plus B? A plus B equal to 3, 3, 0, 9, 4, 4. And even whose order is how much, children? It is having 2 rows and 3 columns. That is 2 by 3. In this way, we can find addition of the matrices. Also, we can say sum of the two matrices. So what about subtraction? Subtraction also same, children. For example, given matrix A and B, and they are asking to find out A minus B. For example, A minus B. Then how to find? If at all they are asking to find A minus B. Similar. We need to, instead of addition, we need to do subtraction. We need to subtract whose corresponding elements. What is the corresponding element of 2? Corresponding element of 2 is 1. That is 2 minus 1. And what is the corresponding element of 3? Corresponding element of 3 is 0. 3 minus 0. And what is the corresponding element of minus 1? Corresponding element of minus minus 1 is 1. So minus 1, minus 1. And what is the corresponding element of 7? Corresponding element of 7 is 2. 7 minus 2. What is the corresponding element of 8? Corresponding element of 8 is minus 4. 8 minus of minus 4. Corresponding element of 5 is minus 1. 5 minus of minus 1. 2 minus 1, 1. 3 minus 0, 3. Minus 1 minus 1, minus 2. 7 minus 2, 5. 8 minus into minus plus. 8 plus 4, 12. 5 minus into minus plus. 5 plus 1, 6 children. And what is the order? Here we have 2 rows and 3 columns. So order is what? 2 by 3. In this way we can find addition and subtraction. Okay. Now let us see how to equate two matrices. Given A equal to, you can observe here, if x minus 1, 2, y minus 5, z 0, 2, 1, minus 1, 1 plus a, these are the elements in matrix which are there in left hand side, and this is right hand side. In between, what is there, children? In between we have equal sign. And what is the order of this matrix? We have 3 rows and 3 columns, so 3 by 3. So as well as right hand side matrix, we have 3 rows and 3 columns, so order is 3 by 3. Since whose order is same, can we equate that matrix? Yes, we can equate the matrix. So children, when we are equating the matrix also, we need to equate whose corresponding elements only. So this is corresponding element A11 and this is B11. I mean x minus 1, element x minus 1 is in first row, first column. Here 1 minus x is in first row, first column. So we need to equate whose corresponding elements. So that is corresponding element of x minus 1 is 1 minus x, children. Are you understanding my point? This is the x minus 1, element x minus 1 which is there in first row, first column. Here also element 1 minus x is there in first row, first column. So we need to equate whose corresponding elements. Because in between we have is equal to sign, that is the reason we are putting equal sign. If it is plus, we need to add. If it is minus, we need to subtract. Okay children, here we have equal sign, so we need to equate. We need to equate, that is x minus 1 is equal to 1 minus x, x as it is, minus x you transpose, which will be plus x. Here 1, minus 1 you transpose, plus 1. X plus x, 2x is equal to 1 plus 1, 2 children. As 2 is multiplying here, transpose x is equal to 2 by 2. 2 1 jar, 2 1 jar. So x is equal to how much, children? X is equal to 1. They are asking to find the values of x, y, z, a. Now coming to here, second element is 2, second element is 2. They are equal. Now coming to third corresponding element, here y minus 5 and here minus 5. So y minus 5 is equal to minus 5. This is in first row, third column, and this is in first row, third column. We need to equate that elements. Y minus 5 equal to minus y you transpose. So y plus y is equal to minus 5 you transpose plus 5. Y plus y, that is equal to 2y is equal to 5. As 2 is multiplying here, if you transpose, you will get y equal to 5 by 2. Now coming to z value, this z is in second row, first column, and this is second row, first column. So if we equate that corresponding elements, what you will get the value of z, children? So z is equal to 2. Now coming to how to find the value of a. Where is a? So this is the element a, 1 plus a, which is in third row, third column, and this is the element is in third row, third column. So we need to equate that elements, that is 1 plus a is equal to 1 1 U transpose, so A equal to 1 minus 1, so 1 minus 1, that is equal to 0. So this is a very important question. They will ask for 2 more question. Find the values of x, y, z, a. The thing is what to do? We need to equate their corresponding elements. Here x minus 1 is equal to 1 minus x, y minus 5 is equal to minus y, z is equal to 2, and 1 plus a equal to 1. Once you equate the elements, then we need to find out, then we need to do calculation, I mean transposition, and finding the values of x, y, z, and a. I hope you understood how to add two matrices and how to subtract two matrices and how to equate two matrices. Okay children, thank you.